Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Caleb. This is Art. You are fearfully, wonderfully made. Go out there and change the world. I just want to know what in the Boston Tea Party, what in the Sam Adams, what in the we hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal is happening right now. I want to know what possessed this individual to fix their face, to make a website, to make a shirt, to put this shirt out. I'm not even talking about political parties. Like, I don't care who you're voting for because that's a whole nother topic for a whole nother conversation. I just want to know why a person who claims to be a constitutionalist would make a shirt that says Trump is my king or any presidential candidate is your king. Like, that makes no stinking sense. Like, are we just going to completely disavow the fact that, one, we left a monarchy, two, as Americans, two, we have a whole Declaration of Independence, three, you couldn't be somebody who is based off of constitutionalism and American rights and all this other nonsense, and you're literally going to make a shirt calling a president a king? What is going on? And then you're going to be one of the people that's going to say things like, oh yeah, the opposing political side is the ones who are trying to take all our rights away and they're trying to do things that are unconstitutional. But you want to make the president a king. Explain this to me. Is this your king? Is this your king? I can't, man. I just need people to pay attention in government class from now on and not sleep. And like, do you really believe what you talk about? That's a whole nother conversation for a whole nother time. I just want to know which one of y'all let this lady post this ignorance. Like, go all the way, not just think about it, but make an actual shirt. Somebody please tell me that her account got hacked when she made this. Please. Caitlin, whatever your name is, I hope you got hacked. This is crazy. What in the Sam Adams?